guys, welcome to the opening ceremony of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope and also the race day proper. Yeah, so if you've never heard about Mount Cameroon, it is the highest mountain. It is also known as Mount Fako. It is the highest mountain in Western Africa. Yeah, about 40,040 meters. Yeah. It is a beautiful mountain to climb as you pass through different ecological zones, including farmland, tropical rainforest, savanna, volcanic landscape on your way to the summit. Yeah, so many tourists all over the world come to hike on this mountain. Climbing this mountain, as I've learned, requires a good level of physical fitness, you guys. Athletes who participate in the mountain race each year usually come from Cameroon and different other countries, including Central African countries and West Africa. Yeah. Mount Cameroon is an active volcano also, and yeah guys, it is located in the southwest region of Cameroon in the city of Buea near the Gulf of Guinea. This year, on the 25th of February, the 28th edition of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope took place in Buea. And during the opening ceremony, that's on the 24th of February, in order to make the year's edition unique, they increased the number of athletes from 500 to 600 participants, and Miss Mountain Race of Hope pageant has been introduced. Yeah, and it was so fun, guys. I would just like to bring you guys along. And there was also a lot of cultural display. There was a wide cultural display by one of the groups in the Bakwereland called the Nganya, that was led by a chief and military officer known as Moja, yeah, who amazed thousands of spectators by eating a live snake. Can you imagine a live snake?
local organizing committee, and to all these collaborators for their dynamic implication and implementation in their organization of activities of the Brazilian division of this. My gratitude also goes to the University of Buea. Because she's single, as the mother is fighting experience. She loves singing, she loves traveling. We all love traveling.
Yeah, so guys, these are the winners of the Miss Mount Cameroon Race of Hope, holding their prizes here.
Whoa. Wait, I don't know that side already.
Athletes are warming up.
You know what's not a picture?
Flexing up their muscle.
Mountain race life.
Kickstart the race.
About this place again.
It's provided for them by the sponsor of today's event, Orange Cameroon. And we have the senior category of the athletes dressed in orange, trying to challenge Mount Cameroon this morning. And all athletes are expected to have the bracelets provided for them by Cameroon Athletics Federation. Only by doing so will you be qualified to go up and come down Mount Sambo this morning. Try to be within the rules and everything will be in order.
To receive I won't disclose it. I'll leave it for us all to discover. By the time they leave the moving from this studio and come back down to this end point, we are waiting for the indication from the officials of the Athletics Federation. But the kickoff of this walking race, which is honored to pick up the heart.
I feel you.
Everybody is waiting for the Ali. He's making their way into Ali.
Then two. And then I'll do. See, I'm
The inhabitants of Buea all came out to cheer up the athletes as they run up and down from the mountain. Yeah, so this race is usually divided into 3 categories. That is the junior category, the senior category, and the veterans category. The junior category and the veterans, they have a particular place where they go and reach and then come back to the Moliko Stadium. They don't actually reach the summit of the mountain. The people who reach the summit of the mountain is the senior category. Yeah, as you can see, this is the male winner of the senior category. He was first, and this is the female winner of the senior category. She was the first lady to arrive. Her name is Tata Karin, and she has been winning for the past 5 years. She is 26 years of age, from Buea in the northwest region of Cameroon. And both of them won a cash prize of 10 million francs CFA each. Thank you so much for watching.